What?
Talking to me, man?
Dog, you remember me, dog?
You? I don't know you, man. Thought we were gonna rob a chain.
No, dog, you know we don't stay so, dog. Where so like a foreigner come from, man?
Man. Man, wait. You look funny there. You look funny there, man. You know, Bev mother, man.
Yes, man.
Bev boy.
You know that me I try to tell you, man.
Man, I thought you was a criminal.
Dog, do something for your boy, though.
I don't spend cash anymore, man. I need card. You can tell me back like a week or two, a couple of months if you wait a little. No, right?
So long, dog, and you just come from foreign.
Man, you know my
Because
money.
you cheer them enough for your chest.
Get it, man. My money's so big, dog. Take a while to process, alright? So you gotta wait till the process. Yo, what do you think?
Now you hear the tax come back from foreign. You know so that the man that owe me 10 grand, brother, he use me 10 grand out of my savings to go look visa. And he come back now and they give everybody soap out of barrel and me not get nothing. You can't believe that?
Man, I wish taxi at that. That taxi you just run up and down in the brief and with a piece of tire.
Him see a man, brother, with his sticker movie tire, so.
Boy, go to reach out and all do, man.
Rich
you know?
way. Rich way. That the man they goodly still broke because we owe him party, so him always a drink him money.
Oh man, boss goodly still have a piece of money when he come out there with go and spend floss and things.
No,
Oh,
brother.
yes, man.
No, brother. Me have better say him broke. Me have 5 grand in my pocket. You want bet?
Yeah, you can't bet, man. Me not have the money still, no, but yeah, man, we still make a bet still. You see,
Alright,
I tell you, say, boss have money.
Me, I tell you, say nah, no.
See, your boss come out with world trash out, you gonna see, man. You don't see me, but you gonna see still, you see it.
Yo, you don't hear that? You don't hear that?
What's up, man? What's up, man? Yeah, man, you know. You platinum, dog. Platinum. You platinum.
You look fresh, so man.
You
You're
know.
not Jordan Johnson.
No, man.
I hope you bring one for me.
Know what you said, man. A lot of people suitcase, man. You know what you said. Now,
Me
right?
here today I give people soap and now I know you're not going to give one person here. Me see what they wear to them, brother. Where you talk about? And I hear them the funny. Me could hear good yesterday. Them make me know say I come down here. You must stand by what we want.
Alright, man. I'm gonna see what the lady see the shop right there.
Yes, see.
Right.
Right.
I don't want to catch me right now. You know, but
You can put you by your bill. Yes.
5 minutes and I'll come back and pay. Alright?
Okay, come on.
Oh, y'all walk around with them the jing jing there. They're not afraid they're on it. Man, you know me, man. You know when I was over there, man. I got the king, man. Yeah, king, man. Alright. Come on, man. Let's go. Done. Hey, y'all, let me have a suitcase. Right, man. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Can I have some drink for my friends here? Yeah, these is my friends. What's your name again, man?
Rashid. So, oh, you remember my name?
Man, you know, I got a
Rashid.
lot of things in mind. What's
Yeah,
your
man.
name?
Give me 2 dragon.
You better two jam and
Make
use
sure you
Guinness,
pay
you know?
for them, you know.
Oh, wait. You know, I've just landed, you know? So, what I'm gonna do is gonna take some drinks, you know, I live around here. So I'm gonna come back in less than 5 minutes and give you some money. I guess, you know the thing, right? You can trust me, man. You can trust me. Just... You
Make sure you pay for them.
know my thing, man. Legit, man. My thing legit. You know that. Let me have the Guinness, man. Right, man.
I'm get one Q a small buckle around there. Yeah. Alright. So, that's a father, you know, some around.
Yeah, don't worry yourself, man. You know, I'm here, man. You know?
I say, Master Chen, you believe me. I say, Master Boone.
Looks can be
Yeah,
deceiving.
see, man, chain, man.
Looks can be deceiving. Alright.
Yes, sir. How when you fly out? You
Oh,
got the
yeah,
shoes
you know.
on your foot when you go.
Your shoes, dog. You know your shoes, man.
Shoes is like,
We're talking about 60, 70 grand, man.
So where you
Jamaica.
come down here for?
You know when this land, man, I'm gonna build a mansion on the hill, you know?
So you couldn't send the money to your people there,
I
but
don't trust people my money, man. The money is my money, you know? They come,
sometimes they take advantage of it.
you know that. Alright, so, you guys alright?
Yeah, man.
So, alright. Remember, I'm gonna pay about your money, man. You, just give them another ransom, man, right? I'm just gonna go and get the money. I'll be back in like 5 minutes. I'm just gonna go there, hit your back taxi, and go to the machine, and I'll be back. Alright? Just give them another round. Just give them another.
Alright, we're not gonna get married.
Give them another round. Alright.
yes, sir.
Alright,
So
then.
far,
Yeah, man, so forward, man. You know the thing, something, man. You know, you
Yeah,
got it
man.
for life, man. You know the thing.
take time with the white boat in and make him mud up.
Yeah.
Yes,
You
it.
know the thing.
I mind them boy there a bit too. Yeah. Alright. Tell us say boss switch lane and see boss how much liquor boss a buy with. I mean, boss pay man. You can say boss have no money, man. Boss have a pay man.
Alright then, you can't say you win the bet.
So some 5 grand.
I find not take so long to come back. I hope you come back. If you don't come back with the money, I turn up here, me, you know.
Don't worry yourself, mommy. Me tell her say man come back, man. I'm a thug man.
I hope so.
Man come
Because
back.
when you come to my business, my business, you know.
Yeah, man come back, man. The
The
boss
boss will
will
come back. The boss come back, as what you say.
1 hour later.
Boy, me have my picnic them to send the online class and to pay for internet and sitting and I hope you come pay for sitting them, you know. Or else me I go by yard.
Alright, yourself, man. The boss will come back. I'm telling you, man. I'm gonna put up from picnic days, you know, man. Go just run up and down and play marble and then thing then. I'm gonna fall back. I say a corona time there, boss say I go to the machine say, I line good long, man. I tell him, man, mommy, don't worry yourself, my fault.
2 hours later.
It look like you know, but I come in now. You know, I think you want to have a packet and go wake up here, you know.
You know, star, come like a man style with brother. I know, say, I know me, I believe, say, boy, no money, because me, I
Tell
feel
you,
the boy.
give me back my money. Give me back my money. Give me
feel
back
the
my
boy
money.
suitcase that me, I tell her, say,
Give me back
suitcase
my
kind
money.
of light still in me, and one day, and I say, yo, you know,
Look at you now, just still wake up here, you know.
Ah, boy. So let me wake up here. You see, do all that they money that they have to buy internet to me pick them of online class, pan brother. I mean, have a young baby when my mother look both to
Look
buy
how man
pampers.
gets trash. Me not even believe say man no come back. Ah, the gold chain and something. If when them just take off on that gold chain.
That I you be for real.
you know, star, brother.
Come on, brother, let me go break up the woman here.
Yeah, but they didn't see anyone. Can't believe, say, man, style out the piece of Rasta. No, man, I have to go rape up, yeah.
I can't believe.
Yes, you go.
Get one first and me do never.
Long, me no reach that, brother.